For creating a landing page, so you have to come to this section, funnel sites funnel section. So once you are here, you can click new funnel. So you have three options: funnel AI, funnel templates, funnel from blank. So right now I am creating it from blank. So first we have to give a name. How can we? So once you add the name, you can just click on create. So I'm not doing that because I have already created that. So this will be the funnel. So once you are here, so it will be blank. So you have to give a name, home, whichever step you are in, you can give that name. So then a slash, then home. So then you have to click on create funnel step. So I have already created a funnel step in home. So you have two options. You can select any existing funnel uh, from that, like we already have. If we have already like funnel or website, then we can reuse those pages or website. So you can, in that case, you can select the website or you can select the funnel. So funnel is the landing page, we call it funnel. So you can select that and you can select any page. So right now I am doing it from scratch. So for that uh, you have to click on create from blank. So once you click on it, you will land into the page builder. So these are the default section. You can see that section. So we have like a different kind of sections here: full width, wide, medium, and small. And you can see the raw also here. So first, for creating a section, first we need to select any of the section. Right now I am selecting the full width section. So then we have to add a row. So inside the row we can add elements. So right now I'm selecting a single row. So from there we have to add a navigation menu. That's a header. For navigation menu, you can see this option. You can click and drag. So once you are here, so you can change all the settings here. So right now I am not changing this right now. So then I have to change the color. So for changing the color, you can see this option, background color. So from here you can change the color. So I'm picking color from another tab using color picker. These are the default colors you have. If you want to add any new color or your brand color, then you can come here and you can paste the color code here. So I'm giving a name to identify it. So then click on it. So your color have been added here. So this color is different and this one is different. So I have to make this transparent. So just click on it, scroll down. It's in style section. In top section you can see style. Here I can see the background color. Click on it. So it is the option for changing it to transparent. So click on it. Now it's changed. So also I have to change the text color. For that, and again I am copying a color code from another tab, another window. So select this and you can see different option to change the color. Mobile background color, pop-up color. I want to change this one. So here also I have to add that color code here. Add color. It's added. Okay, the color have been changed. Now I want to change the font. For that, I'm selecting the font from another website. Exit font. Okay, my font is Open Sans. So you can change the font from here. In top section you can see typography, or you can manually change each line text also. So I'm selecting it as whole, Barlow open sense. So I want to Barlow is my semi-condensed font, headline font. Uh, Barlow. Then Open Sans is the secondary font or content font. There also I have changed. Here also you can like set the color, like text color. The default color you can change from here also, but I am doing it manually inside the setting section. So right now I want to add a logo. For that, you can click on this section, and you can come to the general section. You can scroll down. Here you can see logo in menu. You can turn it off or on. So I'm selecting the logo now. I want to upload it. I have downloaded the logo here in download section, Falcon View. Okay, so this is the logo. Click and upload it. So once you upload it, you can see it here. Then insert media, the logo is added, but it looks a little bit weird, like it's feels stretched. For that, we can change these values. So I am changing those to 0. So if you want to like increase the size, then you can change this value also, and you can see this. I don't want this much spacing in top and bottom section. For that, I have to select this section, then come to the style. So I'm making it as 0. So the padding have been like reduced to 0. So this is enough for us, enough for now. So if you want to like further change it, you can select the row. These elements are inside the row, so there also I am changing that to 0. So we can change it like increase it later also. Okay, so the next section is header. For that, I have added a new section. So I want to add an image, so you can like change the color, or you can add an image, or you can add a video. Right now I'm adding an image, so I have to select an image. Just click on that option. From here you can select your desired image here. So I want to search for my image. uh, so this is not the correct image, but I am changing it for now. I will change it later. So you can select those image and click on insert. So that image have been added. So I want this to be fully like parallax effect. I want parallax effect. So for that, I have different options here. Like I can set it to like full center. I'm selecting full center parallax, full 100% width, and those kind of options are here. So right now I'm setting it to full center parallax. So now I have to add a two column. So these right side section will be blank. Here I am adding a headline. So I'm copying it from another window. You can just paste it here, and I want to change this color to white. So I can change the color from here, all the color. And right now I want to align this to left side. For that you can come to the style section and click on left. So once you click on it, I want to change the size of the font and making it big. And now I want to add a sub headline. There also I want to like left aligned. So you, for adding an element, you can click on here, or you can click on this section, and then you can click and drag inside a row. Like this section you can drag and drop. And I want to copy this thing here. Okay, this one I want to change the color. For that you can come to the general section and click on color. I've changed it to white. So I want to add two more lines. So in one line it will be, in next line this will be the content, accommodations. Okay, so right now I want these things to be in a single line. Also I want a like little bit gap after this main headline. For that I can click on this, and you can come here in style section. So we can add 20 pixel padding. So I will get a gap there. And also I want to this to be in a single line. For that I can just move this towards right. Also I want a little bit gap here also. I'm adding 10 here, and I want to add a 10 here also. Okay, so these things have been added, but this thing I want to increase. I want to increase the size. For that, font weight, not size, font weight. So I'm changing it to medium. So this also I'm changing it to medium. It's also changing into medium. And also I want to change the size to 20 pixel. This one 20 pixel. This one also 20 pixel. Okay, right now I want to add a button. So for that, click on here, and you can select a button there. So this also I want to align to left. Also I want a gap between these section. For that I'm selecting 20. Okay, also I want to change the text to inquiry now, or inquire now. Click to sign up. You can come to this general section. There you can see text option. Here I will enter now. Also I want to add an arrow. For adding icons you can come to this section. In bottom section you can see two options. I'm changing it to like two option: leading icon, trailing icon. If you want to add an icon just before the text, then you can select leading icon. So right now I want to add an icon after the text. For that you can scroll down. You have to click on this search icon. I'm searching arrow, so I can see many arrow options here. I'm selecting this, and uh, I can change other things here in style, inherit, with a lot of options here. You can explore this. uh, I want to change the color also. For that I'm selecting a color from another website. Okay, I copied the color. So I have to come to the general section, background color. So I to add a color. So I think not that one. Cancel it. Add a color option. Button. Add color. So that color have been added. So right now I want to give some spacing in top and bottom. So I can do it in different way. So I can like increase the padding of this section, or I can increase the padding of this section. But right now I'm selecting the section, the whole section, which is where is all the contents are right now. So I have to select this, and I can come here and I can add value, like I can increase the value here and giving 300, and I want to increase this width also 300. 300 seems a little bit over, so I'm changing it to 200. Okay, now we got, okay, this is enough for us. So if you want to like increase this like this, we can change the values. So this is fine for now. So next we have to add one more section. For that, we can go to the section, click on section. Yeah, added a section. Right now I have to add three rows here, uh, horizontal 3 row. So I'm selecting this one, and here I have to add a headline. I'm copying it, and one more line is needed, that is this one. Also I have to change the size a little bit, 80, and this one is also 30. Okay, now like we can do it again, or we can duplicate this section. Like for easy like speeding up, I'm duplicating this section. I don't need this one right now. So here I'm copying it, and more is there. Now I want to duplicate this one, so you can see this is the container, like it contains these text. So I am duplicating this container once again, so I can delete that section. So it's already I have duplicated it. So I'm copying, I'm going to copy another section, family living 700 plus. Okay, I copied this section. Right now I have to change the color of the background. So for that, I'm picking up the color from another window. So I copied the color. So I want to paste it here because this is a new color which is not there right now. It's a custom color, add color. Okay, color added. So right now I have to, I forgot to change the text color. I'm changing it right now. I'm changing it to white. So this is a white. Okay, now I want to change the size a little bit. I'm changing it to 20, 28. E8. So you can change these minor things later also, like after setting up all the things you can change it. So right now I'm copying like exactly recreating another website, so that's why I'm changing it. Okay, that's done. I want to reduce the padding of the section, so I'm changing it to 10. Okay, that also done. So right now I want to add a new section, a full width section. I have selected. I want to add a two column section. So in one column there will be an image. So in one column it will be like text, and I'm adding a headline. So I'm copying it from the older website. Falcon view. So I'm aligning it to left side. You can see the option here. And now I want to change like adding a text. Okay. So these also want to align to left. For that I have to align this to left. I want to add a like padding 20. Okay, also I want to increase the line width in between gap. I want to increase. So for that I can come to general and line height. So I'm changing it to 1.9. No, that's not enough. 2. Okay, I think it's enough. So also I want to increase the font size and setting 18. No, 18 is too big. Okay, 15. 16 will be enough for us. Okay, this is enough. Also I want to change the color of the text. For that I can see the option here. I'm changing to a light blue, or no, I want to add a new color. Add color. This is too light. Okay, this is enough for us now. So now, and also want to change this color to something bit gray, a grayish color. No, I'm adding a custom color here. I want a light black color. Okay, this is enough for it. So I want to duplicate it because there is one more paragraph is to add a padding 20. So I'm duplicating this also. If I click on these arrows, it will like move down and up. So if you click on this one, it will move up. If you click on this one, it will move down. Okay, it's done. And I want to copy and paste one more heading. So this one is capital letter, and one more heading is like paragraphs is there, but I want to reduce the text like weight, font weight. Okay, so In between, you have to save it. In top section, you can see a save button. So please save it while doing it. In between, please save it if something happened. So we have like the autosave option is also there. So if you want like turn on autosave, and I want to add an image here. For that, I will take that 1 second. You can click on element in media section. You can see the option to add image. So right now, I have to select the image. For that, click to upload, select the image. Yeah, select it, insert. Okay, I have to give like some radius, image radius, round corners. Okay, round corners added. I want to create a button here. So it will be on the left side. For that, click on that plus button, and we can create a button from here, or we can duplicate this button and use it for there. So I am using this option, like duplicating it. So clicking on this these double box, this clone option, if you click on it, you can duplicate the button, and then you can click on this button drag option, and you can click and drag over here. So I am using that option here. So this button, I don't need that arrow. So for that, you can go to the right side, and in bottom section you can see trailing icon. uh, Click on it into that remove option. So now I need to change the text. For that, book now, book now. So I want to change the border also, like in style. For changing, like adding border radius, like that round kind of border. For that, I have to select full border, and we don't need any color over there. So we are changing the color to transparent, so the border won't be visible, but we can change the border radius. So you can see the option here for changing border radius. So I am changing it to 10. Okay, so the round corner have been come now. Okay, next option is next thing, we need to add a new section over here. So for that, I am duplicating this entire section for that. So click on clone. So I can see this option here. Now I want to change this image from here to here, this section. For that, I can click on this button. So the image orientation have been changed. So, and also one more thing is there. So I want to align this to the top section. Like I want the image to be aligned here in top section, top aligned. For that, I have an option. So you can select this section, this column, and once you are in the column, you can come and send the content spacing. You can click on it, and you can click on left. So it will align to the top section of the column. So right now I have to change the text. For that, copy it, and changing the text also, like this. So I have copied all the text from another website. So I don't want this section. So I'm deleting that. So this one also not needed. So it's already there. So I want to align this section also to left. So it will be aligned to the top. It's showing left, but this is horizontally aligned. That's why it's going to the top section. So now I want to change the image. So this will be another image. For that, I have to select the image. Uh, so this is the image. Okay, selected that. Okay, the image is there, and now I have to duplicate this section once again. For again, I can change the orient, like the positioning. No, that is not correct. Yeah, click on the down arrow and it will come to this position. Okay, now I have to we will change this text. And so this session have been changed. Welcome to the duplex design. Okay, that is also done. So now I have to add a video over here. For that, I'm creating a new section. So here I want to add a like title. For that, I have added a column. Now I want to add a text over there. No, not this one. Okay, click on it and you can change the color. It's a bit dark. You want a slight gray color. And next thing, we need to add a video. For that, I'm selecting, click on it, and you can select the option video. So here you can add the video. For selecting the video, you can click on this element and you can select the option. You can select multiple channel, like you can add YouTube video. So if you select YouTube video, then you can paste your video URL here. But I am selecting direct uploading the video. In that case, you need to select the hosted video. You can select the video here. You want to upload the video. So I have downloaded the video here, and this is the video, and I want to click upload. Okay, the video is selected. You have to click on this three dot and you have to select this. You will get the option to insert media. So once you click on insert, the video have been uploaded. So now you can change the option, like it will be autoplayed, and can see a lot of options here, like allow play, pause, allow playback, speed control, that kind of things you can disable or enable from here. So I am selecting like allow play or pause option. Enable PAP mode on scroll. So if we scroll, then it will be like visible as a PAP model, like in a corner it will show. And also like we can generate leads from the video. This is useful like if you're doing some kind of marketing, like sales funnel, like you are showcasing the product video. While playing, you can set up like a pop-up window will become to collect the lead form. Once they fill the form, then they will then they can see the rest of the video. Otherwise they can't see the video. In particular, whichever time we are selecting, after that time a pop-up form will be visible and we have to fill that form. So in this case we are not using that option. So video is selected, and also we need to add a little bit padding over here. For that I'm selecting 20, and I need to create one more section. So I've created one more section and add a column. So I want to add a heading. For that I copy the heading and select this and change the color. Okay. So now I want to add uh, some other options like one more image here. For that, click on it, select image. Once you select it, choose the image. I want to upload a site plan. I have selected that. Okay, select this. Yes, it's created. I want to add a like padding 20. Okay, that also added. Now I want to add one more section, one more row, one more heading. So I'm selecting amenities. So now I want to add some more elements. Now I want to add a column. So I want to create one, two, four column. So I have selected the column. So now I want to add an image. Image, click on it, select the image, clubhouse, clubhouse selected. So this one is generated. Now I want to add a sub headline. So this will be the clubhouse. So the clubhouse. So I want to increase the font weight a little bit. Okay, and that's done. And you can copy this also, like duplicate, clone it. So I want to select more icons. So I'm selecting all the icons at once. Click on Control and it select all the images you want. Selecting all the images. So I don't need to like go and upload again and again. So most of the things I have been uploaded. Now mini golf. I selected that. Control C. Sorry. Uh, this one mini golf, and I can duplicate it again. So I don't want this section, deleted. Now I want to upload gymnasium. So gymnasium, yes, they are also selected. So this one is gymnasium. I don't want this. Amphitheater. So I want to create one, two, three more rows like this. So I am duplicating that row. So you can see this one, two, one more section is needed, three. Okay. So now I want to change the images and the text. So this will be saloon. So the text I need to copy from there. And this is jacuzzi. 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 And steam and sauna. It's over here. Amphitheater. No, I want to change this to swimming pool. This will be the yoga room. Yoga room. This will be restaurant and cafe. Skating ring. Skating ring. And box cricket. And badminton. Badminton. And squash. Squash. Yes. Squash. Next one is table tennis. Table tennis. Um, this one is table tennis. Okay. And billiards. Billiards. Okay. So the amenities section is done. So now we need to add one more section over here, and I'm selecting connect on Facebook. Yes. Okay. We need to add an image over here, and okay. No. We need to add a button and a text. Also, we need to add an image as background. For that, I am okay. I'm selecting this particular section and adding an image as a background. So for that, I have to select that image. Okay. So the image is, I think this is the image I want to add. Okay, image is selected and I'm selecting that. Okay, that image added and full sender. So I have given the option full sender. So this will be like more visible. So one more thing, I need to add a heading. So I want to change the color because it's not visible right now. Color, and also I need to add a button over here. So this button, I want a transparent DG. Also, I want to add a border. For that, I need to come to the style section, and there we can select full border. I want to change the color to white. Okay, that also done. So right now I want to change the text. Click here, click here. Okay, that is done. And also I want to like increase the border. For that I am changing this to 40 is not enough. Okay, 80 and 80. Okay, now it's looks better. Connect on Facebook. So I want to add this 20. I want to change, increase the size, general 45. Okay, it's more visible now. So next one is another section. It's gallery. gallery section, we have to add a like heading out there, gallery, and I want to add a description over there. For that, okay, I want to change the height of the text. Also, I want to add some padding over there. It's 20. Yes, 20 is enough. And one more thing, I want to change the color. Changing the color, we can come to this section. Okay, the color have been added. I want to increase the size a little bit. Okay, now it's visible. So now I want to add 3-row column. For that, I can come here and just click on it. So I want to add image. So I can add more image here. So first one will be this, and we can add image or anything here. Upload more image. So I can select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, now I'm copying this one. Also, we can make this the border round. Image border, image radius round radius. Okay, so this also image radius round corners. So I'm duplicating this section, so I don't need to like change the settings editor. And we can come to the general section and we can upload the next image. Okay, that also done. So now I need one more section like this. So I'm duplicating that, and you can come here and you can select more images. I think this one and this one and this one. Okay, I have added those also. Okay, now right now I have like enabled autosave, so that's why it's like saving every time when I make some changes. So some people might not like that option. In that case, you can disable this autosave option. And also I need to like make these gaps like similar. For that, I need to like make it 0, but still it's not same. For that, I can change the margin. Like you can change like this. It's almost looks, yeah, it looks very neat. And I have to add one more section, section full width, and then a column, and this will be the heading section. So this will be location advantages. So I need to change the color also to the gray. Okay, now I need 1 2 3 4 4 column. For that, click on this blue column box. Then you can select another column. So for column, I have selected for column. For this one will be, I need to add image. I think it's image. No, I think it's icon. Okay, we can check that. SVG icon. I'm opening all the icon so I can see it and make the changes. Okay, that's it. So insert media. So it's very big. We don't need this much size over there. So I'm changing the size. You can make changes by here using width or height. Okay, this will be enough. So next is we need to add a sub headline, and I copied the text, and I need to make this smaller, maybe 14 or yeah, 15 also fine. Yes. So I can duplicate this section. So I can come here, this purple color column, and I can duplicate that. So the entire elements will be inside and duplicated. So I want to change the icon. So I think it's, yeah, this one. Yeah, that changed. That's changed. Now I want to duplicate. So I want to make one more change. Like this one is 50, this one is 50. Okay, we can make the alignment later also. I'm deleting this section. So I can connect, I want to connect railway, adjoining Mohali railway station. Then I can duplicate this section once again, and I can change the icon from here. So I want to change this to this one. PC. Okay, I don't want this option. Okay, this one is done. So I can copy now this entire blue column. So yeah, I can repeat the process. Books near Extra University, and from here we will change to as this one, Amity University, and next one is one more is there. uh, this one, and this one is yeah, this one. I can change the background color. So these are not the proper color. I will pick from another tab, and that color is not there, so I'm adding it over here, the color code, and add color. Okay, the color have been added. So the next section is site plan. So I'm creating a new section. So I want to add a single column. So headline, floor layout, and change the color. Gray. I want to add another two column, so I can add image over there. It's 3DSK. Upload. Yes, these two are the images. That's uploaded. This one will be the left side. Okay, and the right one. So for that, I have to select the second one. Okay, that also uploaded. And server for a connection of lifetime. So one more section I needed. That will be the footer section. Uh, no, I want to add one more section. Get in touch. Okay, it's a call to action function. CTA for that single row headline. And there's paragraph text also needed. This one. Okay, now I want to change the color. This one too. Okay, this blue. So now I want to change the text color white. This one also white. And I want to uh, add a button over the right section. For that I'm duplicating it. So I don't want these things inside there. So I want a button. So this one, get in touch. Okay, so I have to change the color. It will be here, and the border, full border, and the radius will be 10. Okay, get in touch is fine. So now I want to position it to the left side. Okay, so this section is done. Now okay. I want to do one more thing, like full border. I want to add a curve border. So for that, okay, 50, not 50, 100. Okay, this will be enough. And the next section will be the contact form, full width. And I want to add a text over here, a disclaimer text. For that, sub headline. Okay, so I want to reduce the size a bit. 18. Okay, 18 will be enough. So also I want to change the color. Okay, done. And the next section will be a form, first column. Click on it, element, and you can select the form. So marketing claim offer. Okay, claim offer. First name, email, phone. Okay, now I want to edit this. Click on the right section edit button and you can edit the form over here. I want to change something. Want to receive content from this company. Okay. Submit. I want to change this to submit. Okay. Also, I want to change the color. The color will be okay. This one is perfect, and we can save it. And now I want to add a footer section, so we can use pre-built section. So I can see many options here. Pre-built footer. I can use any one of this. this one. This one is not, yeah, this one will be fine. We can customize it, or this one. Okay. Want to work with us, contact us. Okay, these columns we don't need, so I can delete this section. Okay, company, about us, our team, our location, career. So these things are not needed. Blog also not needed because it's a landing page. Our location is fine. Our team also not needed. Contact us, about us, our location. Contact us, support. We can change this to uh, schedule schedule site visit. Schedule site visit. Terms of use, privacy policy, warranty also not needed. So these functions are fine. And I need to change the logo. For that, you can click over here and you can select the logo. So this will be the logo. Yeah, it's not visible properly. So in that case, we might need to change the background. Okay, for now it's fine. Uh, about us location. Okay, contact us. So now we need to create one more page for contact us, or we can redirect them to this section. Okay, this section will be fine. Uh, okay, this section will be fine. So for that, we can click on contact us, yes, and button action. We have to select the button action and link to open pop-up. No, yeah, we can add a pop-up form over here, and we can add a pop-up form over here. I'm not connecting to this section. Okay, now we will do that later. So now we have to add one more section like features, amenities. Yeah, amenities, video, site plan. Yeah, video, home, about us is not needed right now. So we can delete this section also. Delete. Falcon view, project overview. Yes, overview. So this will be the overview, and we need to select this section CSS selector code. So you can just click on this green section, and if you come over this tab style, then you can copy the CSS selector. Just copy it. Once you copy it, you can come over this menu, and you need to come to the general section, and you can click on this three dot button and select website URL, then paste on this, open in a new tab, just turn it off. Yeah, it's now this section will be visible once we clicked on this overview. And next one is we need to find what option we need to see. Okay, video. Okay, this can be there, and we will create a new menu. Click on it, add item. I will show you that once again. Add item, new menu, and you can select video, uh, and you can save this. So I forgot to copy the section code. Okay, and you can copy the section code, and you can click on in the right section, general, click on it and paste the code you copied over here, and you can rearrange the order. So I'm just putting this in above section. Also, we can set up we can copy this section in style, copy this, and I think sorry, I forgot to site plan. Okay, so we can select this general and site plan, site plan, sorry, site plan, paste it here. Okay, that is also done. Site plan is above contact. So site plan is done. Now we need to copy the amenities code. You can copy that, and we need to create one more menu, general amenities. Amenities. So we can copy that code here. Just need to rearrange this section also. Now we are covered amenities. Now we can copy the gallery section. Style, copied, and we can create one more menu. Just come to gallery, and you can copy that code over here and submit it. So that also done. We need to rearrange this section. So the last one will be the contact section. Contact section, floor plan, site plan we have added. Yeah, we need to add one more section. Like this will be the floor plan, style, copy, floor plan, general, add a section, floor plan. I think that is the floor plan. No, yeah. So when we are moving this, you should be careful. Like if you are moving this to right, then it will be sub menu like this. Yeah. Now this is under gallery. So when you are moving, like you need to click on and drag leftwards, then only it will be as like separate menu. So also you can see this business name. I want to disable this business name because logo is already there. So I am just turning off this section, menu settings. In menu settings you can turn it off, so that is now gone. And also I want to like increase the font size. Now it's 14. I can increase a little bit, and it's 16. I think I can make it 18. Yeah, now it's 18. So also I can like change the color, the hover color we can change, the hovering hover background we can make it as like purple. Yeah, this looks better. Okay, that also changed. uh, Now we can preview it in another page. To preview, you have to click on this I button, so you can see a preview over here. Yeah, it's working. Video home. So yeah, when we click on it overview, it's going there, and now it's auto playing the video, that also working. And site plan, yes, we came to site plan. Amenities, they are also working. And gallery, they are also working. Now floor plan, yes, it's working. One more thing is there, contact. Yeah, contact section is not working. We have to add that. So for contact section, we can give this section for contact. Like they can submit their name, phone number, and email. And also we can use pop-up form. But for adding a menu, also I'm just giving this option over there. For that, just copy the CSS selector and you can come to the general section. Click on the three dot. Uh, you can paste the CSS selector code over here and turn it off. Otherwise, it will open a new tab. So we don't want that right now. Yes, that also done. So most of the same things we have completed. So there is we need to add about a section. Mm, I think we can redirect the customer. So for now, I'm adding the main website link over here for the time sake. Otherwise, I have to create it. I can create that also. So website URL. So you can click on it and you can select link to. So here you can paste the website. So the website I have been selected. For location, uh, I think location, not location. So I can connect this section for location style, copying it, and I need to come to the general section. Not this one. Link to website URL. I want to paste. This is similar, like we did it in the header section. Uh, the navigation menu, we did it in the navigation menu. For contact us, this also, like we will put this section over here. General website URL, giving this URL here. Schedule a site visit, terms of use. For terms of use also, I'm privacy policy about company. I think terms of use not needed right now. We need privacy policy only. So for that, I'm copying a privacy policy link over here, and we can put website URL. So this is a landing page, so it's fine for now. And also I'm copying the privacy policy URL and put it here, privacy policy. Okay, I've done that. No, now we need Facebook social media link. For updating this link, you can click on this and you can see the pencil icon. Once you clicked on it, you can enter the address here. When you are putting the like website URL, you have to delete this section because this is already there. So you need only starting from this www dot. So you can make this no new window and you can click on update. And one more thing is there. Uh, the next section will be Instagram. copy link address. uh, I'm putting that also here, new window. And if we want, we can connect Google or YouTube. I'm connecting the YouTube link over here. And one more thing is left, that's LinkedIn. LinkedIn also I'm updating. So you can add more social icons from here, like you can select uh, the the options and you can put more thing. Okay, I'm not doing that right now. So it's enough for now. So all the links have been created. We have to create one more page. So I will show that in separate video. Okay, this is how we like design landing pages. So you can make any changes. Okay.